The Komodo dragon, the world's largest living lizard, found only in the remote islands of Indonesia. These prehistoric creatures can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 300 pounds. But did you know they were once thought to be myths? These reptiles are famous for their powerful bite, but it's not just their teeth that make them deadly. They carry bacteria in their mouths that can infect their prey, ensuring a slow, agonizing death. The Komodo dragon's origins go back over 100 million years, making it a living fossil, an ancient predator that has survived the test of time, largely unchanged. One of nature's most fascinating survivors, a true island legend.